How's it going down there, matey?
Almost there.
Okay.
Oh.
We got about 3 feet higher, and then we can pull it away out of the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, Rowan. Isn't that right? Yeah. Huh. Hey, let's get this engine out and turn this thing into a playhouse.
Yeah, we're gonna turn it into a playhouse. It's too old of a boat.
Doing good.
We gotta make it into a brand new playhouse.
Couple more feet and you're good.
It's gonna be so awesome.
It's halfway there.
Good. It's awesome.
It's coming out.
And I pumped it all.
Tristan, hey,
I'm doing it all.
do some pumping.
I was pumping it all, Mama. I did it all by myself. I was
Careful, Tris.
Robbie, you want to do some pumping? You want to pump the engine out a little bit?
Video of me pumping.
Tristan, get away, please. You're making me nervous.
Yeah, don't get close to it in case something happens.
So
That's a really heavy part.
Hey, hey, hey.
Ryan,
You
you're...
don't need to be jumping around.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. This is not a job for toddlers.
And Tristan, come on, toddlers.
You're right, you're not.
This is a job for me.
All right.
Because I'm a hard worker. Just a few more cranks.
Yep, almost there. Almost clearing it.
You're so tired. It's not
Keep
hard.
going, keep going. Is it clear?
Couple more pumps and we'll be good.
Okay, it's clear.
Yeah.
All right,
Stop pumping.
here we go. Now we got to pull the engine away.
It's on.
Is your finger in the way?
No. Daddy's cranking. Come on, Daddy. You can crank it out of there. You can get it out. So you can finally make this big boat into a playhouse. Yeah! By the way, Ryan and Emma is taking the video. That's me.
Ryan, Emma's hosting the video.
I'm taking the video, baby. Hey, Rowan. Is it good to have your dad cranking again? You're blah, blah, blahing your head off. Okay, so, Rowan, Mom is going to see this video, and you're going to be getting crazy. Yeah, it's out of this big boat right there. See, you guys? Yeah, you see it? It's right there. Right there. Right there. Yeah, right there. Right over there. Yeah. See it? And Dad over there he took it out, and it used to be all the way inside of the boat. Now, it's out.